Hey dreamers, it's your girl Dream and I'm back with another video, and as you can tell by the title, we're doing another Valentine's Day set. This time we're doing it on my twin sister. She is back, and as you can tell, we're getting right into application. She did do a soak off from the last set that y'all saw when I posted, and let me show y'all because the retention is crazy, and you see that there is no lifting at all. But now we get into a dilemma this time, which y'all see how her nail beds are a bit ashy. Yeah, your girl forgot primer. And I haven't done that in so long, but the other hand I ended up remembering. So next time when we do her nails, we'll come back and see if one hand held up longer than the other because I forgot primer, and it'll be a little contest which hand held up better, because honestly my prep game is A1, so we'll see if the primer really makes a difference. Okay, also I want to say thank you so much for 500 dreamers. I appreciate you all so much. If you're watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, even just clicking the video, I appreciate it all. And honestly, if you're watching but you're not subscribed though, what are you doing? A lot of y'all are not subscribed and watching, so join the family. Okay, let's get back into the video after all that excitement and those updates. We're still doing application, as you can see. I didn't include as many application clips like I usually do because I feel like it wasn't the main focus of the video this time. I feel like it was definitely the nail art, but I still wanted to show y'all the process. So I'll be back to talk to y'all when I'm shaping.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting about you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting about you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, and my heart can't take no more. No more.
We're getting into shaping, and y'all know I love me my Tammy Taylor nail file. I use this in every video because it is so convenient. I just love that you can dispose of the grit on there. You can wash the emery board and then just put the new grit on and you're good to go. You're not using an old nail file. I just love that. And being that the emery board is made out of that hard material, I love that it doesn't bend or break or anything, even when I'm going a little bit rough. I make sure I link everything I use down below for y'all, just in case y'all want to use what I use as well.
You keep trying, the truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Yeah, maybe we can go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
We're getting into nail art, and these are some of the colors that I'll be using. Before that, we're using base coat, and I used to be so against using base coat. I thought it was a waste of time, but I feel like when you're doing nail art, you should definitely use base coat. It helps with longevity of what you put down, and why wouldn't you want it to last long if you took long to do it, you know? Also, I've realized that even though I do the cuticle oil with the buffer method, it doesn't really fill in the ridges, it more so conceals them, and I need it to fill them in because when I do nail art and I need to wipe off a mistake, sometimes the gel is left over in those ridges. So when I use base coat and I wipe off the mistake, it looks like I literally have not even polished the nail yet.
It's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this heart on nice, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, getting the best of me.
I need y'all to know my twin sister is super extra, and it may not look like I'm really applying anything, but you can see it's like a sheerish pink cover color, and she wanted me to apply it on top of the acrylic to just even it out, which It's even, you know, but she's extra and it's fine. We do love these gel cover colors from Secret Nail Affair, so we put one layer of that on top. We're getting into the Frenchie, and honestly, I love how flawless I edited this to look, because it looks like I did the Frenchies in no time. Like, look at this. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, girl, and that was it. And then we're on to the next one. But no, I just need y'all to know, in reality, if I'm doing a Frenchie for the whole hand, for each hand, it takes me a good 10 minutes maybe to do a Frenchie. I do want to get quicker at doing my French tips, because honestly, it would save us so much time.
Of the year, I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston.
Also, when you're doing your Frenchies, you want to match them up. You want them to look like twins, not cousins. They really should be looking like twins.
When you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know. This is I got things so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. This is I got things.
It's time to get into the details for this set. I will say doing nail art seems scary, but I promise you guys, it is not scary at all. Once you get the hang of it, investing in really good pigmented nail polishes do the trick as well, so you're not sitting there doing layer after layer and it doesn't get all thick and gloopy looking. I love nail art. I feel like I used to be so scared to do it. I used to put it off all the time, and now I want to do almost every set with nail art. Again, if you want to see what I'm using, all the brushes, tools, and gels that I use will be linked down below.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay.
See, my days are cold without you,
Without you,
but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you,
without you.
but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years.
The ring fingers are definitely my favorite design, and they were the most time consuming as well. The pattern itself and just doing every single line and having her cure it each time took so long, but it was so worth it because those lines came out so clean. If you didn't know, the harder you push down on your brush, the thicker the lines will come out, and the lighter you go with your brush, the thinner the lines will come out. So that's just a quick tip if you didn't know. And then also, if you suffer with shaky hands, try to focus all your weight in your elbow and not your wrist. And I hope that helps. I hope y'all get what I'm talking about. Learning that has helped me out so much with keeping a steady hand. I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of these nail art clips, and I will be back to talk to y'all when we're done.
You can learn to appreciate me, then it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change.
My days are cold, baby,
And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you.
without you.
I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Why you hurt me, leave me like this hurting. Oh, I gave you all my heart, and all you did was tear it up. Looking at my way. say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on ice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take.
And this is the finished set, y'all. It's definitely giving Valentine's Day, definitely giving a lover girl, and definitely giving I am so talented. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.